Good afternoon, my name is Martin and I'm from Australia Towbars and Performance. Today we have worked on a brand new Audi SQ7. That's a 4-litre twin turbo with an electric 48 volt supercharger, a beast of a car. What we've done on it, we've installed a factory OEM Westfalia Detachable Tow Bar, a quick release Detachable Tow Bar. That's a premium quality, German engineered and designed quick release, as I mentioned before, lifetime warranty on this tow bar, and I'll show you exactly how it looks. So that's the tow bar itself. It's really easy to detach. You have to, and that's the hole that we had to make. There is a specific trim that's available for this particular vehicle, which has a slightly bigger hole. The client expressed that he wants a 12-pin socket on this one, which we have done as well. So it's almost invisible on the 12-pin socket. It's really easy to attach the tow bar back. All you have to do is locate a hole. Locate a hole and stick it back in. This tow bar we equipped with the Genuine factory dedicated wiring that's LED compatible, as well as the latest version 3 Red Arc electric brake controller. If you need a tow bar for your Audi Q7, 4M and 4L, feel free to contact Australia Towbars and Performance. Thank you for watching. Bye.